Yo, I figured out how to turn the bubbles on in the hot tub. I'm just having the time of my life right now. Hey guys, welcome back to LifeofAlyssha. Today I am going to be doing a hotel room tour. I'm currently at the Four Seasons in downtown Toronto. I'm so freaking excited. I haven't looked around yet, but just from walking in, this place is huge. It's a 5-star hotel. It looks great. There's a pool. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the entryway. Literally can't even, not even in the room yet. OOTD, got this from H&M. This is from who knows where. But anyways, this is a giant mirror in the entryway. Then I think this is an interconnecting room. So if you had friends and you wanted to you could go over there. But anyways, then there's this long hallway before you even get to the room. Okay, I already put some of my jackets and stuff in, but each of the doors has a mirror, and they have these fancy little coat hangers, and there's lots of space. You can get the luggage rack out if you want. This is closet number 1, and then we've got closet number 2. The closet is a light. They have little Four Seasons umbrellas if you need it, ironing board, safe. I put my ratchet shoes in there, but it's kind of dark, so let's move on. And then this is the huge room. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got a little nightstand. Looking pretty empty, but storage space. We got a nice little lamp here. This massive bed that I'm so excited about. It's a king size bed, so that's great. And then if we keep going, we've got another nightstand, another little lamp. Kind of dark in this corner too. Oh my gosh, there's a tablet thing. Well, okay, it tells me the weather. Oh, it's the alarm clocks. There's a little alarm, and I'm assuming that's gonna call the front desk. And oh, I got an email. Let's see what the message says. Need anything for your stay? Chat directly with us at the hotel before something. Okay, whatever. Anyways, cool. That's high tech. And then we got this little loungy, bougie area, and another little lamp, which is, again, I don't know how to turn that on. Whatever, not a big deal. We got some nice little art, and then we got this side view of Toronto. We're on the 18th floor, so we're pretty high up. I know it's dark out. There was a lot of traffic coming here, so. And then we got this side. Okay, there's gotta be more lights in here, but whatever. There's a coffee station and more drawers. And then we have, I don't even know, but it opens, so oh, I was not expecting that. Okay, so we got a little mini fridge situation here. It lights up. We got, the standard LaCroix for those people that are this. What is this? Oh, I'm assuming this is where you get ice. I'm literally not fancy enough for this hotel. We've got some alcohol, I guess, and some snacks, and a private bar. Oh, that's just a piece of paper. Okay, whatever. Not expecting that. That's what's inside here. And then we got a bottom one. It has an oh my gosh, there's an HDMI cable, already in there for the TV, more than likely, which is kind of off center from the bed. I feel you have to sit. I don't know where you would sit to watch that, but TV. Then we got some more storage. Snacks! 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 Yes, Brookside, so good. Okay, so we got some snacks in this side. This is the main view, I think, of downtown Toronto. You can kind of see over there-ish, there's the CN Tower, but not really because it's dark out. And then we got this big desk. We got this Bose, whatever, speaker. I'm assuming it's Bluetooth, which is too fancy for me. We got a little notepad. We got the phone. We got another lamp, which I don't know how to turn on. Oh, I found it. Another lamp. We got this fancy glass desk space. We got a chair, a rolly chair. We got some garbage bins. And then we have this magical sliding door and a thermostat that goes into this giant bathroom. Oh, look at it. Oh my God. Okay, so first of all, can we just, there's 2 sinks. There are 2 sinks in this room. We got one of those mega reflect, zoom in mirrors. We got some tissues. We got some soap. We got a cup. Oh, little amenities in here. I don't know. Makeup remover. That's so nice of them to think of. Okay, we got that. Shea butter soap, a shower cap, body lotion. Okay, there is a remote in the bathroom and I have no idea what it's for. It says electric mirror. Oh my gosh, there's a screen. Wait. Powering on. Oh my god, there is a TV in the freaking mirror. Why does this not work? Hello? I can't change the channel. Oh, 29, channel 29. Okay, whatever, there's a TV, it's cool. Off. You know what, this remote sucks. Okay, it's off. We got a nice little plant, your plant. More cups, more tissues. Got anything down here? No, but we got some towels. We do have stuff down here. A scale, and I think that's a hairdryer. We got a garbage, which I already kicked. And then we have this glorious looking bathtub. What? And the best part is you can take a bath and look at the view. I know you can't see it because it's dark out, but it's the same view as before with the, can go really close. There you go, that's outside. And some bathrobes, and we move over here. There's two giant doors here. Where do they go? This one goes to the toilet, so you can do your business in peace. And this one. Oh my god, that is a nice shower. There are two shower heads. And we got some conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. How nice. It smells really good in there. Shower. And you could like, you know, take a lovely like bubble bath and then just like hop in the shower and like still look out the window and show off your body to the world. So anyways, yeah, this is the room. It is absolutely amazing. I cannot get over the fact that I am even here. I'm only here for one night, but it's a 5-star hotel, and like the people, like I did like valet parking, they were so nice. They're like carrying my stuff for me and like taking me, and they call me Miss Schneider, which is like wait, we're gonna do a bed bounce, right? 1, 2, 3. That's a comfy bed. That's a comfy bed. Anyways, let's go to the rest of the hotel and see what's up. Okay, I got my hotel robe on, my hotel slippers on, and I'm ready to go to the spa. Or more specifically the pool, because I can't afford the spa. Okay, I know we're not supposed to film in change rooms, but this is the women's change room at the spa. What the hell? What? Why is it so fancy? Oh my god. You can literally book flat irons and straightening irons and curling irons if you want at the spa. Like, what the heck? Alright, I'm at the pool at the Four Seasons, and dang, I am the only person here. It is 8:25 p.m. and they close at 9, but like, look how nice it is. What? Also the change rooms, dang. They have a steam room and a shower room and like all this crazy stuff. Look how nice it is. What? Okay, and their spa is on the 9th floor, so you get this like crazy view out the window while you're swimming. And I don't even know what this is. You think it's a hot pool or a cold pool? Let's find out. It's a hot pool. It's a hot pool. Guys, I found a little secret pool. Look, there's a secret pool. Yo, it might actually be salt water. I don't know, but there's a baby pool on the side. Yo, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go swimming. I have like no time left. Just sitting in the hot tub, and it is fan-freaking-tastic. The people here are so nice, like the workers. Like I went down to the concierge twice, and they like they had a nighttime service. Like somebody came by to my room and was just like, "Hey, I'm here from for night shutdown or whatever, what it's called, night round down or whatever." And they came in and like put the slippers next to my bed, put the breakfast menu next to my bed, turned on like the night lights, closed all the blinds, like refreshed the towels, and like give me water and ice, and like I spent some time in the lounge, and like that was super nice. They're like super friendly, and it was really like low, like light ambiance, and it's like high class. And they have a French restaurant like inside the hotel. Like, yo, I figured out how to turn the bubbles on. It's 10 to 9, and I'm just living my best life. Stay tuned for room service. Okay, so I just finished at the pool and the spa. Now I am going to order a room service for the first time ever. I've literally never done that before.
Hi, would I be able to order a buffalo chicken Caesar wrap? Thank you. Bye. Yo, girl's getting room service and I pre-ordered for tomorrow.
I got the TV working and it's playing music from up there. You can jam session in the bathroom. This hotel! So I got my room service and they like set it up all really nice on the desk, but I got the buffalo chicken Caesar wrap or something and they gave me like a little succulent and then the potatoes and it looks so good. Good morning, everyone. I just slept the best sleep of my entire life and I ordered room service again, and this is what we got. I got an avocado toast with poached eggs and it literally looks so good and it's like breakfast with a view, you know? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and share this video if you like it. And I will see you in my next video. I'm so happy that I got to stay here for a night. It's time for me to check out. Checkout time is at noon and it's like 11:45, so I should probably go. Okay, in case you wanted to see the bedroom during the daytime, I already slept in it, so it's kind of messy, but there's the bed, the TV, the seating area, the little coffee get up here, the TV, the desk, the view outside that I have the curtain over, the desk, and then this is the bathroom. It's all used because I, used it. And we've got this whole area, big bathtub with the view of Toronto, and then just the shower and toilet area. There's literally a phone in the toilet area. Like you could just chat with your friends while you doing your thing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!